Good day, ma'am. So my name is Copa Elizabeth L. BSA2A. So this is my Picha Pocha presentation. My art is Hernando R. Ocampo, 1911 and 1978. Art form is painting, modern and abstract, and the nationality is Filipino. The early life and Kel life events. Hernando R. Ocampo was a Filipino painter, writer, and national artist for visual arts born in 1911 and known from shaping Philippines' modern arts. The next is early life. He was born on April 28, 1911 in Santa Cruz, Manila. During the American colonial period, which influenced his worldview. The education and writing career. Before painting full-time, Ocampo worked as a writer and editor, sharpening his ideas about Filipino identity. The next is transition to painting. After World War II, he shifted strongly to painting, responding to social change and national rebuilding. Artistic ideas and philosophy. Modernism in the Philippines. Ocampo rejected classical realism and embraced modernism, believing art should reflect new realities. The next is Filipino identity. His works were inspired by Philippines landscapes, culture, and tropical colors rather than Western models. The next is abstract style. He developed a unique style using bold colors, biomorphic shapes, and dynamic movement. Next is art as expression. For Ocampo, art was not about imitation but emotional and intellectual expression. So the next is major works. Genesis 1968. Genesis is one of his most famous works, symbolizing creation and national renewal. The next is Cultural Center of the Philippines and Terror. This mural became a landmark of Philippines modern art and public culture. The next is Collage of Paintings. His work includes the Builders Calvary and Slum Dwellers, reflecting social themes for the art piece. The next is about visual impact Ocampo's art. His paintings are evidently recognizable for their intensity and rhythm. Award and recognition. National Artist Award. In 1991, he was posthumously named National Arts of Visual Arts, the highest honor for the Filipino artist. Critical acclaim. Art exhibition posters. His works were exhibited locally and internationally, earning critical respect. The next is influence on institutions, art schools, or museum. His ideas influenced art education and museum collections in the Philippines. The next is posthumous recognition. Even after his death in 1978, his legacy continues through his perspective and studies. The contribution to human history and legacy. Philippines modern art pioneer 1940s and 1960s. From the 1940s to the 1960s, Hernando R. Ocampo helped establish modern and abstract art in the Philippines, breaking away from traditional realism. The next is cultural identity, 1950s and 1970s. During the 1950s to 1970s, his art expressed Filipino identity through bold colors and forms while speaking a global modernism language. The next is Exploration to Future Artists 1978 present. Since his death in 1978, many Filipino artists continue to draw inspirations from his courage to innovate and redefine national art. The last is Signature of Final Artwork 1911 and 1978, Legacy after 1978. From 1911 to 1978, Hernando R. Ocampo's life and art shaped Philippines' modern art and contribute to humanity understanding of cultural self-expression.